Once, a businessman gets stranded on a lonely highway and the tires of his car get stuck badly in a mud pool. He looks around for help and finally finds an old farmer. This businessman goes to him asking for help to get his car out of the mud. The farmer gauges the situation and agrees to help him and says, "Let us take the help of Warwick." Now, Warwick was an old bull, but the helpless businessman agrees. The farmer ties the bull to the car and starts shouting loudly, "Fred, pull! Jack, pull! John, pull! Warwick, pull!" As the farmer keeps shouting these words, the bull, Warwick, gets the car out of the pool. Businessman is relieved, but has a doubt in his mind. He thanks the farmer and asks him, "You said the bull's name was Warwick and he was alone. Then who were these Fred, Jack and John?" Farmer coolly answered, "See, Warwick is old and also blind. He doesn't know he's pulling his car alone. The moment he hears the other names, he thinks he is in a team and he gives his best." So is in the case with all of us. The very thought that there are people to help us, bless us, and with great zeal and comfort, hope, confidence to put our heart and soul into any task that we undertake. As H.E.E. Lucock said once, "No one can whistle a symphony. It takes an orchestra to play it." The word team, together everyone achieves more, proved a milestone in the year 2020. It taught us self-discipline, time to family, saving, healthy food habits, hygiene, habit of self-reliance, health consciousness, and many more positivities. My resolution in 2021 will be the same. At least I will not try to leave any good habit out of these, and above all, to see the positive facets in crisis. This too shall pass. I believe we all have a call on our life to make the world a better place. No excuses, no escapes, no procrastinations or postponements. I also believe we all have the sleeping potential that we never unleashed. I believe that our fears can be fuel for greater success. I believe our past has no power over our future. I believe our life can rise to magical if we begin to make a few simple new choices. As we near the end of another year, let's not start 2021 in a way that makes it clone to the year going by. Let's find some quiet time to connect with our childhood dreams, access our heroic nature, and remember that even the longest life is a pretty short ride. We owe this reflection to ourselves and to those who love and respect as well as admire us. Today is a blessing, overflowing with opportunities. This too shall pass. Let's take a risk we have never taken. Let's think the visions we have never envisioned. Let's give the respect we have never given. And let's take a stand for a better way of living. Let's end this year strong. The world needs you at your best. Let's pledge to make the world a better place in 2021. And let's start with ourselves and stay blessed forever. Happy New Year.